Good afternoon. Welcome to Laguna Classic Cars. My name's Andy Coyle. I'm going to show you this dynamite 1968 Corvette Stingray 427 big block. What you need to know about this is this beautiful paint, gorgeous paint, Lemans Blue. You can see online it has a beautiful, almost new white soft top. Chrome is outstanding. Car overall is excellent condition. Has a 4-speed. This has been restored. Has a big sound system in back. There's the white top. Very nice. The top is in like new condition. The chrome is excellent. These beautiful license plates come with it. So if you're a California resident, we can transfer it into your name. Really gorgeous car. The headlights flip up perfect. So we'll pop the hood. So this has power steering, has power windows, has the luggage rack on the back. Power steering is a much appreciated option. Big block, 427. This is 390 horsepower. What I like is the car is all stock, hasn't been modified. Looks like new vacuum canisters for the front, pop-up headlights. Looks like all the heat hoses are in place, vacuum lines, wipers. Looks like a new alternator. Looks like it's been aligned recently, the new spacers. Very clean overall, really nice. So we're going to go for a quick drive. Before we do, we'll look underneath. So very clean, very nice condition. Console, owner's manual. So the story on this car is consigned by a gentleman, local guy, who's had it several years, and he just got the itch. He just bought another car, and I helped him buy that car. This light is for the seat belt. You can turn it off. Gauges all appear to work. Tachometer works. Clutch feels perfect. Tell you what, there's just something about a big block shifts perfectly. Probably one of the best driving Corvettes I've been in. Absolutely no wheel shimmy whatsoever. Really nice. So the speedo works, tachometer works. Very comfortable car. Surprisingly comfortable. So we're going to do a U-turn here. This thing handles like a big go-kart. So turn signals work. Easy car to drive, surprisingly, between the power steering and the big block makes it very easy because it's almost impossible to stall a car with this much torque. So it shows 9,096 miles on it. That could be from the, sometimes when they restore them, they'll reset the odometer to 0. I'm not sure. Car overall, though, obviously is very tight. So this is a 1968. Comes with a clean California title, and it's exempt from smog. So what makes this car really valuable, in my opinion, it's a great color. It's a big block, 427. It's a 4-speed, and it's in great condition. The paint is excellent. Interior is very good. Doesn't need anything. It's really the guy who owns this, he's a check writer, and what I mean by that, he's a guy who can afford to make everything right on the car. And this car, I mean, it shifts perfect, the clutch is perfect, it drives perfect. I drive a lot of old cars, and this thing is really amongst the best. So let me know if you have any questions. Let's review 68 Corvette, 427 convertible, 390 horse, California title, smog exempt. We can deliver it for you. If we deliver it out of state, there's no California sales tax. So let me know if you have any questions. Thanks. Oh yeah, I want to show you the lights going on. So we're gonna show you the headlights here. So if you look in the window ahead, I don't know if, hopefully you can see the headlights are on. And then we'll turn them off.